Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to increase the screen time on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to increase the screen time on your iPhone, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now from here, scroll down and tap on auto lock. Now from here you can increase or decrease the screen time on your iPhone. Just like that. Now if the auto lock feature is not working on your iPhone, this is probably because you have enabled the power saver option on your iPhone. Just like that. Now just disable the power saver. Now as you can see, the auto lock feature is working. And this is how you can increase the screen time on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.